Hi, Kenzie. Hey, do you want to watch Mickey Mouse?
Mama.
Do you want to watch Mickey Mouse? Here we go. Do you want to watch Mickey?
Maybe.
Here it comes. Where is it? Let me turn it down a little bit, right?
I watch TV all day now. Mama.
Mickey Mouse. Here it comes. Keep watching.
Here it is. What are you doing?
Oh, dancing. Dance.
She looks like a dancer.
So you Mickey? Kenzie. Mackenzie. Mackenzie. Alright, I guess she's not going to look.